Very good evening to all. Welcome back. In this video, what we are going to discuss means just we are going to discuss the how the Java FX applications are controlled and what are the events that could be handled in the Java applications. Okay. Basically, while we are developing a Java application, say for example, you can consider the student management system. If we are maintaining a student management system, if we add as students, we have to incorporate the addition operations. If we want to remove, then we can use the delete. And if we want to modify, we can adopt the modify event. Okay. While we are doing this kind of operations, we need a controls, right? In which student, on particularly which students we are going to update it. Okay, that thing it should be controlled. So for that, we need events and controls in the Java applications, right? Then what are the object-oriented programming concepts? It might be used in the application developments are definitely we have to use the class, right? Then after that we have to use the objects, then events, then inheritance, okay? Then polymorphisms. These are all the some of the object-oriented programming concepts which we will use it in the JavaFX applications, right? First, we will discuss the one by one. You can consider this real-time scenario. Okay, you can consider this one. These are all the two phones, right? This one is the keypad phone, and this one is the smartphone. Okay. But while we comparing these two phones, in this phone, all the buttons are specified explicitly, right? You can consider the numbers also. 0 to 9, it is specified in this buttons. But while we are going with this smartphones, once you unlock your mobile phones, we can see the that options from the some other tabs. Directly, we can't able to see this options. Likewise, if I want to off the phone, then for that in the side page, side mirror, they have given a option provisions, right? If I want to adjust the volumes, for that also they have given as a buttons. Okay. If I press this buttons, how the control is taking place. Okay. And basically the Java FX is the tool. And this is a graphical user interface developed for the Java application building operations. Okay. And this will be used to create a window, button, text boxes, then other visible parts of the program. And also if you want to add a button or if you want to delete it or if you want to modify, then that everything it is done through this building blocks. Okay. Basically the Java FX is the set of graphics, okay, and the media packages. And this set of graphics is and the media packages are it is used by the developer for the purpose to design, create, test, or debug or deploy. Okay, rich client applications. And also this library is used to develop the desktop applications also. And once you have developed an applications, it could be done in a multiple platforms. Then this Java application, actually it is the replacement for the Swing applications. The Swing application is the older versions which are used to develop or implemented through the applets. Then the Java FX features, this mainly it will be used to create a rich set of UI controls. And also if once you develop an applications, if you want to stylish, then we can use the cascading style sheet to stylish your developer applications. Then, and also if you want, we can use the XML support also. This is the extended markup language. If you want to separate the structure from the Java code, then this particular feature, it might be useful for the programmer. And also it will use the MVC, that is model view controller. This will be, it is a used to design a patterns. And designer can also work with a FXML file for while developing and code with the logic part, right? Then, and also these are all some of the features which are available in the JavaFX inbuilt. If you want directly, we can drag and drop this. Then 3D graphics. Then this will be used to create an visual effects. Then animation and effects, web view, media support. If I want to adjust the volumes of a audio or video, then for that we need this media support features and the cross platforms. If I have written once, then I can run anywhere. This is the main feature of our Java, right? Then also it will be a modular design and it is a lightweight and consume customizable deployment. Then these are all the some of the ready-made event elements that are built in your application interfaces to control the operations. Okay. If I click the button, right, unlock button, what it will happen? It will ask to open or cancel it, right? Then and also it is a label. Label is it is for understanding purpose. Then the text field it is used to display the text messages. Then the checkboxes is used to choose the or select the options. Then the radio button, this will allow you to select any only one options. Then the slider is used to move ups and downs or left and right. Then the list view basically it is used to list the items. Then the next one is the button. You can consider this example button, my button equal to new button, click me. What it means? If I want to perform any operations, then if I am clicking on button, what it should be happen? That will be that control it is written in this layout, like a V box, H box, or stack pan. These are all the some of the layout pans which is used for in the JavaFX application development. Then event happens when the user interacts with your program. User click on a button. Which event it should be called means action event. Then moves the mouse. If I am moving the mouse, what it should be happen? So that control it will be handed over to the mouse event. Then the types of keyboards. The types of keyboards it will be control given to the key event. How to handle this event? The events are handled through the uh, button events, button class. Okay. This button class, it is button is a class. My button is a object name. Through this my button object, we are going to call the members and methods in this button class. This is the full example. The JavaFX, it is the application. It is a superclass. Then from that, the subclasses, we are going to inherit the applications. And likewise for scene, this screen. Then control subclass. Then button function. Then scene, layout. Then stack pan. Again, it is a layout function. Then stage. Okay. You can consider this access specifier. Then class name is simple JavaFX app extends applications. Then at override mainly it is overriding method. If I want to do a specific implementations, then I can go with this override method. Then this one is the this is used to enable the actions of the button. And the stack pan is used to enable the button layouts. Then screen. Okay, this will be used to set the screen size. Then the say stage, it is used to set the title of that particular applications. Then set scene, this screen, what it should be displayed on the screen. It will be decided in this primary stage, and so it will be used to display the content. Okay. Then this is the main function. This already you know, right? Then launch within a bracket, if you are passing in any arguments, then automatically it will perform the operations based on the coding which we have written. This is the JavaFX architecture. Okay, this already you know Java virtual machine. Through this virtual machine only we can able to enable the connections between the operating system and our Java applications. Then the JDK, the development kit. The development kit, it will use the libraries and tools for making the applications. Then Prism will use the Java 2D and the OpenGL, then D3D. And also it will use the Glass windowing toolkit, media engine and web engine. These are all it will comes under the quantum toolkits. From this, we can export the applications in the web link. This is the reference book. Thank you.